Welcome back to my web space. If this is your first time of joining us today, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and also to hit the like button. This is a channel where we build generational wealth for ourselves, where we share information in order for us to build this generation together and for us to all to go to the next level together financially. We understand that the first wealth is our health, but at the same time, our financial wealth is what we discuss over here. So I would like you to subscribe and join the family and let us share and rub minds together. Today I'm bringing to us, if you have been following this channel, it is good news. If you have not been following the channel and you know about crypto, especially Ethereum right now, it is still good news. So we have the SEC approved the ETF of Ethereum. So just likewise as they approved the ETF of Bitcoin a while back, about 4 months back. So now we are having the approval of the Ethereum. Now, if we know and we focus and we kind of get idea of crypto, we understand that Ethereum is the second in line to Bitcoin. So it's a big deal because psychologically it starts letting us know that crypto is being adopted gradually, especially with the government. Government start taking action and they start accepting it gradually. Once they start doing that, then people start having confidence in crypto, and people start investing even the more in crypto. And that is why I'm saying congratulations to every one of us that have interest in crypto, that have investment in crypto, and that has the vision, the future vision of what crypto will bring to us. So I say congratulations to us all. Now, so now that this is approved, then what is the next thing? What are we expecting? As usual, we invest for a long time. We invest for a long time. We understand that your time in the market always outweighs you trying to time the market. And as we are trying to build generational wealth, we don't want to be chasing the stock. We don't want to be chasing at a share. We want to be already prepare ourselves and already position ourselves to take this position that we know when everybody start coming in, we are already having the best seat in the house. We have to invest in something that give us connectivities that we can understand and we can know how it works. Now, we always look for things that give us an edge. Something that give us an edge. Like the adoption of crypto is not all wide now. It's not widely accepted now. It gave us an edge. We have an edge because it's not, all the way accepted to people. Not a whole lot of people knows about it yet. So we have an edge. So now that we have this edge, what are we going to do? We're going to take advantage of it, get into it. Let me tell you this. At a certain point in 2010, Ethereum was 32 cents. 32 cents. And the same time in 2010, somewhere in 2010, Bitcoin was 9 cents. 9 cents. Now, those that know about it then and ready to take a chance as $5, and they invested $5 in Bitcoin in 2010. Now, with $5, you possibly can buy up to 40, 50 coin. That's 9 cents. That's 9 cents per coin. Now, Bitcoin is $70,000 per coin. So we have to invest in something that we believe it will give us an edge, because not a whole lot of people knows about it yet, and also that give us the connectivities, to the product. We are involved in it. We get into it. We understand how it works. So we are getting both ways. We have an edge to make money, and we understand the utility of this product. So I want us to, now that it has been approved, what are we now expecting? Let me just go on and show us this. The approval, it said the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on Thursday approved application from NASDAQ or CBOE and NYSE to list exchange traded fund, which is what is ETF tied to the price of either. So that is what, we see, and we say, wow, congratulations to us all, because it has been approved. Now, watch this out. Now we have the number one crypto being approved, 4 months ago, January. Now we have the second, crypto being approved 4 months later. Okay. What do you think is going to start happening to all the altcoins and all the meme coins? Now, let's leave the meme coins out of it. Let's talk about the altcoin. So the altcoin they are going to apply also, and possibly they are going to be approved. So I'm just encouraging this house to say, now, if it's easy, everybody will do it. But because it is not easy, people run away from it. That provides opportunity of an edge for you. It provides the opportunity of an edge for me. So because we need to position ourselves, because we know something that it seems not everyone knows it yet. So let's go into it and do what we need to do. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. I am just telling you the opportunity as I sees it, or what I sees as an opportunity for us to be able to invest into crypto. If you, like I've said earlier, if you invested $5 in crypto in 2010, $5, it would be $500,000 now. $5, $500,000. I'm not saying that is how it's going to be, but I'm just saying the possibility of what has happened and what could happen is what I'm saying. So now if you look at it, it has been approved, right? So we go down, and this is just an estimate, predictions, for 2024 to 2040, what the Ethereum will be. Look at this. He said by 2027, which is 3 years, less than 3 years from now, it's going to be 14,000 and 20,000 in 28, which is 4 years from now. It'll be 20,000 and on 31 in 29 and 47 in, this is just an a prediction. It's just prediction. Let's even look at what what Ethereum is doing now. Ethereum, even though it's been approved, this is sometimes it seems like it's strange, right? It's been approved, but it went down. It's supposed to be up. Right? It's supposed to be up. It's supposed to be up. It went down. Sometimes, so this is what we say. Unless you have the crypto, crystal ball, we cannot really predict what the future will be. At least let me say, not every one of us has the crystal ball to be able to tell what the future will be, or to be able to predict or to find out what other 20 million or 60 million or 100 million other investors will do, how they will react to things. So the approve it is supposed to be, hey, voila, everybody's happy. Now it's been adopted by the government, it's been accepted by the government. But wait a minute, it went down. Why does it went down? But let us know. Okay, so on this channel, right, we try to go by what the data is, what the history is. Well, that's all we can go by. And we go by what the book, the fundamental, the history, the data at hand, and the market as a whole. But if so, that is the only thing that we can use to kind of predict, to kind of, make decision, to kind of take a position or to be out of position. That's all we can do. But I want us to compare this. Let us look at this. So it was approved, right? It was approved, and it went down. See how it went down? And look at it. It was red, right? It's red. Now, why does it turn red? Let's look at Bitcoin. What happened to Bitcoin when Bitcoin, was approved also. So the Bitcoin was approved in January 10th. It was January 10th, right here. This is when Bitcoin was approved. Okay, it was approved. The ETF was approved right here in January 10th. Okay, and pay attention to what happened at that moment. It went down. Okay, it was approved on January 10th, and it started trading on January 11th. And look at when it started trading. It started going down. See, start going down, all the way down here. Okay, it went down for almost a week and a half to 2 weeks. It went down. Bitcoin went down even when the ETF was approved, was supposed to be something to elevate us, to make us happy, that things that were what we've been waiting for as finally being approved by the government. It was supposed to be, but it went down. Now let us see why do we think it went down? Okay, and before I even go there, after it went down for about a week and a half, right? Look at this now. It started going back up. Start going up. It started going up and up and up. And now we are at 68,000. 68,000. So it has went up almost 82% in the last 6 months. 82%. It has gone up 82.53% in the last 6 months. Now before it was approved, it was let's say it was 43,000. Before it was approved, it was 43,000, and after it was approved now to 68,000. So can we now say that possibly Ethereum would do the same thing? Can we now say possibly Ethereum will do the same thing? We can only go by what the history and what the data is showing us. I would say possibilities are there that is mimicking against the same thing that Bitcoin does. So why am I saying this? I'm saying that this is the opportunity for us to get on the train right now. Because when it happens to Bitcoin, after the initial fall of Bitcoin, after the ETF approval, Bitcoin went up 67%. Now, it went up 67%. Now, when it comes to Ethereum probably even going to go more higher than Bitcoin. So even if we take like, okay, since it's approved, if you want to compare it to Bitcoin, 67% up, it will put us around $6,200, $6,200, which means in the next 3, 4, 5 months, Ethereum could be $6,200. And I believe, is probably most likely it will exceed the 67% that Bitcoin did. So it might be close to $7,000. So it might close to $7,000. But what it is now is 3,729. 3,729. So this is the initial fall now. Just like Bitcoin did. Be surprised if it starts going back up. So congratulations to us all that understand what it takes to invest and the time it takes to invest and what is crypto and all this building generational wealth and accumulating wealth for yourself, what it entails. I say congratulations to us all. At this moment, I always, encourage us to do our own research and see where the opportunities lies for us. My job is just to bring it to light, for us to be able to look and do our own research to it. And I hope you are doing that and taking the necessary step that fit your own portfolio, that fit your own plan. I think we have seen it done before. So if it goes up, if it goes down now, there's possibility it's going to go back up very, very soon. It is 3,007 now. It might go up as much as 6,200 this year. might go up as much as 62 or surpass $6,200 this year. Thank you for joining it. Until I see you in the next video, I hope you have a wonderful day. I see you there.